Now, sometimes we can use our graphing calculator to help us with modeling. Suppose I'm given a list of times and predicted temperatures, and I'm told these are a quadratic model. What could I do? Well, if first you remember how you're going to want to take your x values and make them something a little bit easier to scale. So instead of starting at 8 and going to 10, 12, etc., let's convert this to the 24-hour scale. So this one will become 8, this will be 10, 12 is 12. Now, 2 is 12 plus 2, or 14. Anything after noon, you add 12 to it. 4 becomes 12 plus 4, or 16. And 6 is 12 plus 6, or 18. So step 1 is enter the information into your 24-hour, into your calculator. Remember to use the 24-hour clock. And enter the points. Go to quad regression. All right, when you do that, you're going to see y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And when you hit enter, from here you go to quad regression, it's going to spit out a, b, and c for you. What this is telling you is that your function is going to be a is minus 4.6. Let's just do 4. Let's do this. A is minus 0.47 x squared, so that's a. Here's b, plus b, which is 14.72 x minus 36.12. Always keep it to the same number of decimals. Now, if you graph the data, you can use the maximum feature on your calculator. You can either highlight it, depends on your calculator, but you can highlight it and it will tell you what the maximum of the curve is. When you do that, on this example, it turns out the maximum is going to occur at about 15.7 or at about 3:42 p.m. There's a little bit of interpretation on this one. So it turns out that the predicted high temperature for the day is going to be about 79.4 degrees. We are going to round that to 1 decimal at about 3:42.